What if you could just type one sentence, and ChatGPT takes care of everything, from booking your hotel, writing emails, to building a full presentation while you sleep? Sounds futuristic? It's not. It's here. It's called Agent Mode, and it's about to change how you work forever. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unlock Agent Mode inside ChatGPT, and why this isn't just another update. It's the beginning of AI doing your entire to-do list automatically. No coding, no stress, just pure productivity on autopilot. Let's dive in. So what's Agent Mode? Think of it like hiring a digital assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and can do things like compare legal steps to form an LLC, book a hotel, build a full investor slide deck, analyze your calendar, even summarize your Slack, Teams, or Gmail messages while you're offline. And the crazy part, it can run on a schedule. Like literally, hey ChatGPT, every Monday at 8 a.m., pull a weekly report from my CRM and email it to me. Done. Automatically. Right now, Agent Mode is rolling out to ChatGPT Pro, Plus, and Team users. Pro users get around 400 runs per month. That's like 13 a day. Plus and Team accounts get a smaller slice, but enough to test it out and do some serious automation. It's super easy to find. Head to your ChatGPT dashboard, click on Tools. Boom, you'll see Agent Mode. From there, you can start building workflows or pick from templates like book travel, create reports, or schedule tasks. Some real tasks Agent Mode can handle for you. Audit your calendar from the past 6 months, so you know exactly where your time is going. Schedule your grocery delivery for tomorrow. No reminders needed. Find and buy the best-rated refurbished stand mixer. Let AI do the comparison shopping. Build a full discounted cash flow DCF model in Excel, ready to pitch or analyze. Create a spreadsheet comparing CO2 emissions versus renewable energy data, perfect for reports or presentations. All it takes is one simple task prompt. No coding, no setup headaches, just tell it what you want, and it gets to work. This isn't just conversation anymore, this is execution. Agent Mode is a real AI assistant that actually gets stuff done. All right, let me show you something seriously cool. I asked ChatGPT to plan a camping trip for me, but I was super specific. Find a dog-friendly campsite with a private hot tub within 2 hours of San Francisco. And guess what? It actually browsed real websites, filtered everything I asked for, and gave me 2 perfect options. I didn't lift a finger. No Googling, no 15 tabs open, no stress. How? It's all thanks to a brand new feature inside ChatGPT Pro called Agent Mode. This thing doesn't just chat, it takes action. It's like giving your AI an actual to-do list. So if you're tired of wasting time on stuff like trip planning, email summaries, or spreadsheets, try Agent Mode. If you found that useful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post simple, powerful AI tips every week to help you save time, work smarter, and stay ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.